The Jewish festival of Hanukkah begins this Thursday at sunset. Also known as the Feast of Dedication, it recalls the rededication of the temple in Jerusalem after the success of the Maccabean revolt, which brought Jerusalem back into Jewish hands. After the great victory over the Greek army, the Maccabees had only enough purified oil to fuel the eternal light in the temple for one day. But the oil lasted for 8 days. During the 8 days of the feast, Jewish people around the world celebrate God's provision and protection, and everybody, including children, takes turns lighting the special Hanukkah menorah, and they reflect on God's faithful, loving kindness. The Hanukkah menorah is a 9-branched candelabra called a Hanukkah. The middle candle is always lit, but as the nights go on, additional candles are added from the right to the left when facing the candelabra. The candles are lit using the middle candle, known by its special designation as the servant candle, from left to right, lighting the newest candle first. Redemption and sacrifice are 2 key concepts of Hanukkah, because the Maccabean victory, which was a victory for all Jews as it gave them independence for the first time in 500 years, came at a great cost. The central light of the menorah reminds us of another central candle, which we place in the middle of our Advent wreaths, which we call the Christ candle. Jesus Christ is the suffering servant who came to save his people, spoken of in Isaiah 53. He is also the light of the world, that we may never walk in darkness, but have the light of life. Jesus demonstrated this truth by restoring sight to a blind man just before attending the festival of dedication, Hanukkah himself, at the temple in Jerusalem, which is recorded in the 10th chapter of John's Gospel. Just as we receive light from the middle candle of both menorah and Advent wreath, we receive the light of life by faith in Jesus Christ. At Christmas, we celebrate his coming, for the true light that gives light to everyone was coming into the world. As Isaiah the prophet foretold, the people walking in darkness have seen a great light. On those living in the land of deep darkness, a light has dawned. May this season of Advent and Hanukkah bring you special joy and deeper meaning to bring you closer to our risen Savior, Jesus Christ. This is Pastor Jeff Collins encouraging you to make it a great week.